Hi, I'm Kev Lavery, and today we're showing you how to restore an announcement in Connect that you've previously deleted. Whether it was deleted by mistake, or you've hit a new semester and need to bring back a few old announcements for repurposing, restoring an announcement and editing from there is preferable to starting from scratch.
Navigate to the Announcements page. From the More Actions button, select Restore. In the Restore Announcements menu, you'll have a bit more information about the announcements, including title, who deleted it, and when. Select the checkbox next to each announcement that you want to restore. You can restore multiple announcements at one time. Click Restore. These announcements are now available in your unit again. You can go back and reorder them or edit them depending on your needs. Announcements are a great way for communicating with your students, as well as keeping your unit engaging and up to date.